wanna dance in the dark. Come on, we gonna light up the night.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a Barbie color reveal. Now I'm going to open.
Give me the trash.
Hey, what's this?
Just the lid. Take everything else out.
Wow.
Show what you're doing.
And now I did fill up this cup for the Barbie. Okay. I really hope I'm going to get this.
Which one? Let me see.
Yeah, I'm going to go for that.
Let's see which one you get. Open
I'm
something.
going to leave this one until the end. So now we're going to open which I'm pretty sure is
Some help? See, let's see what it is.
It's the hair!
Wow, what color is that? That's so pretty. Pretty. Leave it like that. Leave it like that.
Okay. Next I'm wanting to use this. Oh, I think I know what it is already.
What do you think it is?
Oh, I don't know. Maybe it's a scrub.
A scrub? Careful with the scissors.
Can you get a bowl of water for me? Because the scrub appears the makeup.
Makeup?
Yeah.
We'll see. We have some water right here for you that you can use.
Oh, skirt.
It's a skirt. That's cute. Careful with the scissors.
I'm sure. I don't think it is.
Girl.
She's sweet. Okay, what is in there?
Oh, I don't know. Wait, what are they're earrings.
Earrings. Those are cute. Red earrings.
Oh yeah, they are.
I'm gonna just cut these for you so you don't have to use the scissors.
Okay.
Some scissors now.
Oh, wait.
What scrub?
The scrub that appears makeup.
Oh, well, it comes with shoes and hair and little earrings.
I got this cute hair that goes on the Barbie, and I got these cute little earrings. And I have these little shoes.
Cute. Everything's red. Let's see the skirt. What clothes did it come with?
Wait.
Wow, a black and white skirt. That's cute.
Now I'm gonna get on to the Barbie.
Ooh, let's see which one you got.
Wait,
What in the world?
now kind of fill.
Okay, now let's see the instructions.
So, how much does it need? Does it need cold water?
It needs warm water.
Warm water to... No, it needs cold water for this.
Okay, we're gonna start at A. And then B shows hot water. So I'm gonna go get some
Hot water.
hot water.
I have to put this in water so it can appear. It's white and it's purple. And it has a...
Okay, here's the water. We're gonna pour hot water.
hot water.
And that's not enough.
Okay, we need more. We need more now. And right here is the back of it so you can put the hair. And you can put the shoes on. My mom brought this back so my Barbie can go in it. Now I'm
Okay,
gonna...
go ahead and put her in the water. All the way up to the purple. Only the white part. No, all the way.
The dog. Oh, I forgot to put this skirt. Cold water so she can appear her makeup.
Okay, try it. Dip it in. Whoa.
Where's her favorite Xena?
Let's see if it changes.
I think I have to split. Nothing's changing. Maybe I have to wait.
Yes, just give it some time. Oh, looks like it didn't work, so she just stayed with no makeup, no lipstick, and we're gonna go ahead and dress her and put all her little cute accessories on so they can match her red hair and her red legs. Show them, see? Show them. Cute, look at her. Okay, let's finish drying her up.
Don't let anything wet.
No, you can put her accessories on. She came with 2 earrings.
Imagine it was only one out of things. Like one high heel and one earring.
Oh my god, she's gonna be left with only 1 shoe. Good thing they added 2 in there, huh?
Yeah, because I don't want it to be. No.
Oh, okay, go ahead and add her skirt now. Dress her up. Wow, that's cute. Look how perfect it matches her bodysuit.
It's already chippy.
Is she wet still? Here, you can use that napkin to dry her out. Add her little accessories, her hairpiece. How do you put her hairpiece on? Oh, it has a little clip. Clip it on. Oh, that's cute. Dang, she has long hair, huh? Long, pretty curls. And her heels. She can't be barefoot. You gotta add her heels. Oh, not like that, huh? Let me see. She's still a little bit wet.
A little.
A
And it's
little.
already dripping on me.
I know, it's dripping all over the place. Her fun,
It's
colorful
already-
water.
Yeah.
Okay, there. Try it now. You got it? Push it in. Now push in the other one, and then you can add her cute little earrings for the finishing touches.
Yeah, and then we'll do the other tips so it can be like a family.
Yeah, you can get the little pet, and then on here it shows that there's another little girl and a pet. So the
Next
color
time-
reveals
next
have
ti-
all of these little sets.
Actually, next time, let's get all of them, and then we can do a whole, and then we'll whichever one is the correct one, we can have all of them set.
Yeah, the whole collection. The purple one, the pink one, the yellow one, the teal one.
I want to get all of these things.
Oh, I think the teal one's my favorite. Look at them. One has a cat. One has a little puppy.
I actually want to get all of these.
You want to get all of them?
Next time, we're going to get all of them.
Oh, I'm excited. I can't wait to see. I hope we get one of each. And I'll keep the teal one. You can keep the pink one.
Dad can keep the... Do you like yellow? You can keep the red one.
Yeah, he likes red. He can keep this one.
Yeah. And I can...
And then we can make a video
And
playing.
then I can keep this one. I can keep this one.
Okay, the pink one. Okay, add her earrings in. Push it in, push it in. No, you need help? Let me see. Give me them. Oh, so there's little inserts for the ears, and you just gotta push them in really, really hard. Ooh, they're sharp, huh? Thanks.
Let me try
Let me
that.
see. Okay, try the other one by yourself. You just have to push it in really hard.
I thought you had long, beautiful hair for these.
No, she has her hair combed back in a cute ponytail.
These, look at, actually the little girl's hair changed colors.
Oh, it does?
Yeah.
Not this one. It doesn't show. It shows that we're supposed to put it in cold water like we did, and her suit was supposed to be changing to red on top of the black and white, but nothing came up. And then her lipstick turns red in cold water too, but it just didn't work for us. Maybe there has to be ice in the water for it to be super cold. Oh, how pretty. Look at her. I love her hair. Is my favorite. She looks like Ariel, huh?
It reminds me of if I had long, beautiful hair.
You do have long, beautiful hair. It's just not red yet.
No, I'll be red. Thank you guys for watching my video. Stay tuned for the next video.